Hi guys, welcome to the session here. Now today we are going to discuss the three biggest mistakes that we make during our preparation, right? So we are all aspiring to be future bankers here. So we have to be sure that we do not make these three mistakes while our preparation, right? So let's not waste much time. Let's get it started, right? So, what is the biggest mistake that we make, guys? The first biggest mistake is that we do not have a particular study planner. We know what are the topics here, but we do not follow a particular planner. Understand there is a huge syllabus, right? So, it has to be a well structured plan which you need to follow. Like, let's say today's day, right? So, let's say if I am preparing for SBI PO for 2023, let's say I know there are 4-5 months when this admit card will be out and everything, right? So what I should do here is that I should divide the time available with the number of topics that we have in this particular examination, and I should make a perfect study planner, including where I have enough practice for all these things. That is, I'll have the concept videos, right? So I'll check the concepts first. I'll go through the concepts. That should be one part to it, right? Understanding the concepts. Then the second part has to be practice of these questions. So download whatever PDF I can find, then practice as many questions possible, then take tests for it, right? So topic wise tests have to be taken. So for each of the topic you have to do these three things, right? ये तीनों चीजें आपको करनी चाहिए हर एक टॉपिक के लिए कि पहले तो कॉन्सेप्ट समझे, then go through the practice questions, as many possible questions that you can get, right? And that also should be with the timer. ठीक है, timer के साथ हमेशा practice किया करो. That means you have to complete the particular question within a given time. Okay, and also after you have practiced enough questions and you are confident enough, then go for the topic wise tests, right? Topic wise tests तो ताकि समझ में आए that yes, have we understood the concept of this particular topic or not. So this is the first mistake that we have, that is we do not have a particular planner. अब मान लो we are doing this, ठीक है, ये तो कर रहे हैं पर mocks नहीं दे रहे. Mocks are also very important, right? So once you have covered all the topics, let's say, then you have to start giving the mocks also, because it is important to sit through the exam for 1 hour for prelims and 3.5 hours for your means examination. तो mocks देना जरूरी होता है. तो हमेशा अपने टाइम टेबल में keep a fixed day for mock. Like let's say if the exam is not near, so I'll at least give 2 mocks or 1 mock in a week, right? और अगर पास में है तो I'll increase the number of mocks in a particular week and then I'll analyze that particular mock. So you have to be thorough that let's say if we have 24 hours, 24 hours में से 12 hours या मान लो 12 तो नहीं 14-15 hours हमने minus कर दिए for sleeping, for eating, for other things, right? But हमारे पास तब भी good 7-8 hours बच रहे, right? Let's say if I am having 8 hours, so I need to divide those 8 hours in these things, right? I have to have current affairs, I have to go through English, I have to read the editorial, I have to practice some vocab question, I have to practice some puzzles, I have to practice some DI. So there should be a perfect division of time that you need to follow, and it has to be the same, right? उसको follow करना ज़रूरी है. तो वो एक structure बनाना बहुत important है. That is, make a structure, make a timetable that these are the 2 hours where I'll go every day and do some current affairs. This is the time when I go through the editorial. This is the time when I'll practice some reasoning question, be it your puzzles, be it your seating arrangement, be it your syllogisms, anything. This time is for quant, this time is for English, this time is for GA, right? तो ये चीज फिक्स होनी चाहिए. There should be one app that you should have for daily current affairs quiz, राइट? तो एक क्विज का ऐप जरूर होना चाहिए जिसका आप एक टाइम फिक्स कर लो कि एवरी डे एट 6 PM आई विल सिट एंड गिव द करंट अफेयर्स क्विज, वट एवर आई हैव गॉन थ्रू द कंप्लीट एंटायर डे, आई विल जस्ट टेक अ टेस्ट फॉर इट, राइट? तो ये चीज आपको करनी चाहिए. इफ यू डू नॉट डू दिस यू विल हैव नो स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्लान, राइट? तो वो जो आपको चाहिए वो डिसिप्लिन, द डिसिप्लिन दैट यू रिक्वायर एज अ प्रिपरेशन strategy, that will lack if you do not follow this particular study plan. So this is important. Okay. Second mistake that we make is ignoring the difficult topics. Let's say if I am not very good with critical reasoning, or let's say if I am not very good with let's say probability, right? So these sometimes we feel कि ये वाले topics हम नहीं करेंगे या फिर बाद में करेंगे. These are not having enough questions, right? So you have to understand what is the weightage of those questions. Like let's say probability. Okay, now probability का एक question आएगा out of 35 question let's say in the prelims. We know that there is no higher weightage. आपका mains में भी बहुत से ज़्यादा आ गया तो एक दो questions आ गए, right? It will not have enough weightage. But let's say if the topic is like critical reasoning, where we know that in the mains examination there will be at least 8 to 10 questions. So we should not ignore those difficult topics. So you have to understand, if you are having some difficult topics, what is the weightage of that particular topic. अब मान लो I am not really good with puzzles. I am thinking that I'll do only miscellaneous questions, I'll not do puzzles. But that's not possible, right? Without puzzles, you will not be able to score well in the prelims itself. तो prelims से qualify नहीं होगा तो mains तक तो पहुंचेंगे ही नहीं, right? So you have to be careful that what is the weightage of those difficult topics that you are going to ignore. ठीक है, तो अगर आप कोई क्वेश्चन इग्नोर कर रहे हो, कोई टॉपिक इग्नोर कर रहे हो, मान लो रैंकिंग नहीं समझ में आई किसी को, नहीं हो रहा है, गलत हो रहा है. सो रैंकिंग वी नो इज वन टॉपिक, देयर विल बी मैक्सिमम वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम इट. सो ओके, इट्स ओके टू इग्नोर. लेट्स से आई एम डूइंग ऑल 34 क्वेश्चन, एक क्वेश्चन छूट भी गया, इट डज नॉट अफेक्ट. बट लेट्स से इफ समथिंग विच इज ऑफ हायर वेटेज, राइट, सिलॉजिज्म्स, इनइक्वालिटी, ब्लड रिलेशन, डायरेक्शन सेंस, puzzles and seating arrangement, right, alphanumeric series, anything which is going to have higher weightage in the examination cannot be ignored. Even if you are not doing well with it, even if you are making mistakes, you have to understand where you are making mistakes and avoid those mistakes. You should not avoid the topic itself, right, because it will become very, very difficult to clear the examination if you ignore that particular topic. Okay, so this is the second mistake that we make, that is we ignore the difficult topics, ignore them completely and skip them, right? ये नहीं करना है. Try to understand, try to analyze कहाँ पर गलती हो रही है. And third mistake that we make is we do not have a study table or fixed place where to study. I'm not saying that you should have a study table itself, but wherever you are studying, make a fixed place for it. And it should not be a bed or any comfortable stuff, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि बेड पे आराम से लेट के हम मॉक दे रहे हैं या पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. That will hamper you, right? वहाँ पर focus नहीं हो पाएगा. Understand guys, in the examination hall, you will not have the comfort of your home. पहली चीज तो वहां पर आपका कंफर्ट नहीं होगा. दे विल प्रोवाइड यू वन चेयर, they will provide you one monitor, they will provide you a mouse and everything, right, which may not work properly. So there will be a lot of things. There will be a invigilator who will be shouting, who will be coming to you for getting signs and all, right? There will be a lot of students, there will be a lot of मतलब बहुत आवाजें होती हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. So you are not in the comfort of your house. ठीक है, तो पहली चीज हमेशा ये याद रखो, that is try to keep as many things as constant as you are going to get in the examination hall. तो उसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करो, उसी तरह से आदत डालो. हमेशा याद रखो, don't get into the comfort of the things, right? It's okay that we feel कि हाँ हम अपने आराम से पढ़ रहे हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम क्या है, हम पढ़ाई तो कर ही रहे हैं. But no guys, you need to have the discipline. So keep a study table. Let's say if you are having a study table, don't मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पर books या बहुत सारी चीज़ें मत रखो. ठीक है, you should have a separate place where you can keep your books, right? Don't make a mess around your table. It should be a quiet place. It should be साफ सुथरा रखो उसको. ठीक है, सामने अगर you have a board, you can keep your notes handy कि आप उसको देखो सुबह सुबह, तो आपको वो चीज़ हमेशा माइंड में सेट हो जाए, right? So these are the certain things that you should have as a student, right? So keep a habit of studying from one particular place. Do not shift your places, right? That is the third biggest mistake that we make in the preparation time. ठीक है, so avoid these three mistakes and you will be able to do it well. ठीक है, तो ये तीन गलतियां मैंने भी करी थी जब मैं प्रिपरेशन कर रही थी. I don't want you guys to do the same. So please go through it and please do not make the same mistakes. So chalo, thank you so much. I'll see you again with another topic where we will be discussing same stuff which you should avoid and which you should not avoid, right? So thank you so much guys. Please take care, stay safe, have a great day. Thank you.